Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, so I am back with another drink video. So today I'm going to try and make a sour apple margarita. So I'm going to be using the Sour Apple Puckers, some Patron tequila, and then I'm going to use this margarita mix. It's actually a little bit more sweet than some of the other ones, so I think it kind of tastes better together with the Sour Apple Puckers. So I am going to start with some of my margarita mix, and I'm just making a small batch today. And then my puckers. And then some of my tequila. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and blend it up. So I know it's kind of hard to find something that makes your drinks like really pop when it comes to the green color. So I think I want to try and add like a drop of food coloring in here, and it's green. Just like a little bit, just to see what it does. That way the color can pop more. Hopefully I didn't add too much. So I'm just going to start it up again. So it changed the color a little bit, not much. So this is done. And of course, you all know you can add as much of each liquid as you would like. Is whatever you prefer. So I have my little glass here. I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, I forgot to add my salt on there. Okay, so I've salted my rim of my glass. And I'm going to pour in my mix. And then I just have some apples to garnish. So there you have it. My Sour Apple Margarita. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know down below if there's anything you would like to see me make. And as always, have a drink with me.